Today, I'm going to show you how to use NoveList Plus. NoveList is an online program accessible through NC Live, which will become your new best friend if you're having trouble finding new books to read. If you're at your local public library and live in North Carolina, NC Live should be accessible from any of the computers there. The only difference in searching from home is that you'll have to enter your library card number and your home library, so be sure to have your card or the number handy. Once you come to the NoveList homepage, you have a few different options on how to search. I'm going to show you 3 different options today, but feel free to play around with it and see if you can find other ways to search. The first thing we're going to try today is the lookalikes feature. Let's say you're a huge fan of Alice Walker, but can't really find any books that are similar in either style or content. What we're going to do is we're going to go to the drop-down menu and select author and type in her name. Once we get to this page, we'll go down to the first title. As we can see, this first book is a book by Alice Walker, so we're going to go ahead and click the author read-alikes feature. On this next page, we can see that we have a handful of authors to choose from that are considered similar to Walker's in either contents or writing style. Next, we're going to go back to the home page and try something different. The lookalikes feature also works with series too. Let's try a different genre this time. I want to read a series that's kind of like Robert Jordan's Wheel of Time. If you know the name of your series, just type the series name in the search bar like we did with the author and hit enter. Like with the author read-alikes we just did, when you search by series, you come up with the series read-alike feature. So just click this option and it'll send us to the next page where you can see a list of other series that may be like the Wheel of Time in either content or writing style, just like with the authors feature. We have one more thing to show you, so let's go back to the home page again. For this last bit, we're going to try the appeal mixer. This is especially good for if you know what kind of book you're in the mood for, but haven't really read any books similar to a read-alike search. As you can see, NoveList already has some picked out for us. Fast-paced and upbeat, action-packed and compelling, irreverent and engaging, world-building and romantic. But let's try something of our own. NoveList gives you 3 options to choose from, but I found that this works best by limiting your search to at least only 2 categories, but feel free to try all 3. I'm going to first try a mix of character and writing style. So let's pick culturally diverse characters with a compelling writing style. As you can see, this brings up 866 options. That's a lot to choose from. Let's try to shorten it to something else. Let's try an amusing tone with fast-paced writing style. (1,343 options. That's even more than before. Let's add one more thing to it just to see what we come up with. Let's do relatable characters. As you see, this time we only have 18. Sometimes you'll get a lot of choices. Sometimes when you mix, you can get a lot less choices. Just play around with the selections and see what you can find. NoveList is a great resource available to you for free with your library card. Explore searching, find different combinations, and see what great reads you can find next. Have a great day!